Create this outline overlay text effect in Canva. Go to canva.com. Select any size according to your project. Upload your photo. I'm using a sample photo from the elements. Remove the background. Adjust the size and position. Take a text. Choose any font you like. Adjust the size and position. Change the position to backward. Make it duplicate. Go to Effects. Select Hollow Effect. Change the thickness according to the image. Drag and place it to the above previous text. Subscribe for this kind of short tips. Thank you.